In this video we're going to look at stating x and y coordinates. So when we're given a set of coordinates we can easily state the x and y coordinates. For example, 1, 3 has an x coordinate of 1 and a y coordinate of 3. So in the coordinates 5, 3, what we have is that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. In the coordinate 7, minus 2, x equals 7 and y is minus 2. And in minus 6, 4, x is negative 6 and y is positive 4. So if we look at this triangle PQR, we can see the vertices or the corners have three different points obviously. So R, if we wanted to work out the coordinates of R, we would go to the right 5 and up 4. So we'd have the coordinate 5, 4, where x would equal 5 and y would equal 4. P, so we always start at 0 and we're going left to the left 4, so to minus 4 and up 2. So it has the coordinates minus 4, 2, where x equals minus 4 and y equals 2. And then the last point, so we start at 0 and we go to the right, so we go right 2 and down 5, so it has the coordinates of 2 minus 5, where x is equal to 2 and y equals minus 5.